To record a career-based learning experience, head to our Register and Request page. In the request form, select Educator, and then select I would like to record an activity. You can use this function to record an activity that has already taken place or one that is coming up. Enter the information. Next, you'll enter the information specific to the activity. Enter the date that this activity took place or will be taking place. Then select any regional career pathways that this activity aligned to. Please list any participating employers or organizations. For larger events, you can actually upload a spreadsheet that includes information like the participating companies, or if you took a class of students and you'd like to track that data, you can upload a spreadsheet with information such as their student identification numbers. This information will remain confidential. From there, you will just enter your contact information and submit the form.